So let's be honest, YouTubers love to show the exciting clips from their rides. I'm guilty of it also. So today's ride, I got to ride with some guys that I don't get to ride with often. Frank and Paul from the Chicago area, Justin and Jason from nearby. It was a very active ride where we did some cool stuff. We did some sessioning, did some jumps. So as I reviewed the footage, I realized I caught most of the overlooked stuff that people don't put in their videos. Things like the texture of the trails.
I dig the armoring, that's really good.
Yeah.
Especially in those spots because they get wet.
The canopy of trees that you ride under. The casual banter that happens on almost every ride.
I was in Washington and there was one where I go ahead and go, oh, that's a Rico Sumner Trail expression feature. Something got me. My leg is burning.
Uh-oh.
That's not good.
Snake bite.
Well, we don't have nuclear reactors, but we do have old military weapons.
Unexploded ordnance, yeah.
Yeah, I like that. That's pretty cool.
The playfulness of somebody trying to follow my line. Those are the things that make a ride feel complete. So enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button down there and enjoy your journey.
Oh yeah. That was awesome.
I was in Washington and there was one where I go ahead and go, oh, that's a Rico Sumner Trail expression feature.
Switch back left.
Switch back left.
Sharp.
That's sharp. Going back left.
All right.
You can see the end.
Gotta start working on my endo turns now.
Alex, this is a trail you've been on already. This is the fun trail you were on to begin with.
Oh. This is Founders.
Yep.
Founders is a fun little loop.
Okay, rolling. You! Yow! You! Woohoo! Woohoo! Going right?
Going right. Right.
Right. You bloody well right.
Right turn here?
Right, right.
Right, right.
Well, we don't have nuclear reactors, but we do have old military weapons.
Unexploded ordnance, yeah.
Yeah, I like that. That's pretty cool.
So we came from this way from the long flow. If we keep going, it's another half-mile flow. So if you string it all together, it's a nice long. All good, Alex? Paul, you good?
Oh yeah.
Okay, we're gonna keep rolling then.
This must have had some storms.
Yeah.
There's a lot of debris.
When I did gravity cavity with Jock the last time out there, that's the first time I'd ever been down the full run.
Oh, really?
So some of the features, if you don't know where they're at, you miss them.
You can mess yourself up, yeah. You definitely got to know when to come up because they come up a lot faster than you ever remember.
Yeah. And those last two,
The last two, I was just like
They're
rapid fire. Like, you gotta.
they're so close together that I didn't know that the first one I hit it and I launched it, and then just as I'm landing, there's that second one.
Yeah. Yeah, you really want to kind of dial back your drop on the first one a little bit.
Yeah.
Then you can set up for the second one, because the second one's like a log over almost.
I did a nose unicycle down that second one with a whole group of people watching me. I'm like, whoa!
That could be worse. A lot worse has happened on that.
Right.
Trip. That's awesome though.
I had a big shit-eating grin. I go, I didn't die.
Well, you know what? You know, there's nothing better than a great save.
Oh.
You know. Top and you can break off the trail, right? I like that.
You want to go up a little bit? Just up to a couple berms there and see what it is?
Yeah, if you guys are cool with it.
Yeah.
There's no sign. So they brought in somebody to do this, right?
Oh yeah, they got a professional company doing this.
Yeah, that's awesome.
This is a tough corner because you're turning and that tree leans out, so you really can't tuck hard.
Oh yeah, I dig the armoring. That's really good.
Yeah.
Especially in those spots because they get wet.
They did a really nice job with the armoring.
I love these berms.
Oh, they are delicious.
Really drains nice too.
That's beautiful.
Oh, this is great.
Yeah, this is really nice.
All right, I should have walked my bike over.
Oh, looks like they cleaned out the...
Something got me. My leg is burning.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
That's not good.
Snake bite.
It is not.
You need
I
to...
didn't see anything that looked like poison ivy or anything.
Oh, these trails are, they're nice. They're in good shape too. I don't know why they're closed. Doesn't look like there's anything muddy. Once you just start, running these things out, it takes the fun out of them. It's a flow trail, should be smooth.
Is this far enough up for you guys?
Whatever you want, Rico. If you want to go all the way, you cool with that too.
Oh, he's got a dropper. Oh, you drifted. Oh, you drifted it.
You know what, Rico?
Yeah.
Last time I walked that, if I remember right.
Yep.
So, that's progress.
We're gonna go left here.
Of course, didn't come in as fast this time.
Yeah. Did you go wide left like I did?
Oh yeah. Yeah, I've been working on that whole switchback thing because I've been faced with far more scarier